Before we dive in, make sure to watch the entire video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I don't think people understand turn Netflix binges into cash, the secret side hustle. I don't think people understand just how easy it is to earn money watching Netflix. I used to think it was impossible until I actually tried it. Here's how you can cash in too. Netflix, Hulu, independent studios. These are people who watch content, add keywords, rate shows, check subtitles. It's legit work. Find these gigs on Netflix's jobs page, freelance sites like Upwork. Then there's reviewing. Websites pay for honest reviews, summary write-ups of Netflix originals. Sites like Slice the Pie Review Stream will pay you small amounts to share your thoughts. And don't forget about social media. If you love talking about what you watch, start a YouTube channel, start a TikTok reviewing shows, build an audience, make money from ads, sponsorships. Of course, none of these will make you rich overnight. But if you're already watching Netflix, why not earn a little extra on the side? So grab some popcorn, hit play, let your downtime start paying off.